16 is what the captain got. The other opener got 3. So you've got 2 new men at the crease, Kumar Rajneesh and Harshraj. Scoring rate just 6 runs and over in the 4 overs. Left-handed Rajneesh now. Unbeaten 63 from him. They'll need that one again. Just pushed away. Easy pickings there. Rajneesh knows how to rotate the strike. Wonderful one for Rajneesh because he can keep things under control. Just when the team looked like under a bit of pressure, he let Bipin sort of flourish. Just played second fiddle, and that was good enough.
Absolutely. Scored that 60 odd. Initially was just going at run a ball, but that's what happens when you spend time at the crease. You give yourself ample time towards the end in the T20 game. You can just up the ante easily. A little bit of confusion over there, and you can see now the body language of the fielders, it has changed, and that's exactly what they require. They need wickets. They got 2 in the last over. If they can just pick up 1 more within the power play, then this match is certainly on.
Angika Avengers feeling positive now after getting rid of both the openers. The bowlers seem to have got their tails up. Making sure that the field is all in the right place, exactly where they want it. Third man being brought in fine. Slip and a gully. 2 close catchers there for the edge. That one kept the striker low. Look at the way the entire offside converged on that ball. That shows the positivity of the team.
I mean, just look at that field right now. There are 8 on the offside, Ravi. 8 on the offside. They've got a slip. The only man, if a camera can just pan towards the leg side, the only man on the leg side, in fact 2, we have 2. So 1 on the square leg and 1 shot, or you can rather say a little, on the leg side.
1 at mid-on, 1 at long leg. 7 in 2 field. You don't see that in T20 too often. Pitching it well outside the off, bowling to his field is Gaurav Gaya. He knows that the team will have to really bat well to pierce that very strong offside cordon. There you see the men. Slip, third man, gully, point, cover and mid-off. 7 on the offside.
This is interesting. This is a really interesting passage of play right now. And this is what the bowling side needs to do. They don't have too many to defend over here. Just 127 on the board. And these are tight lines. These are good lines. Intimidation. That should be the name of the game as far as the Angika Avengers are concerned. And I believe Aman, captain, his spell is going to be really interesting. Because if he can just bowl his left arm spin, take a few wickets, I have a feeling he's going to come in the next over.
Well, it might be a turnaround over. If he can pick up a couple of wickets, then the pressure will be on Darbhanga. But if he goes for runs, then Angika will be on the back foot. At the moment, Angika are turning the screws on Darbhanga. Last ball of the over. Edged past the slip. Third man can't get there. 4 runs. 5 gone. 29 for 2. it stands? We always say that the intrigue and the mystery is always there with low totals. 29 for 2. Anything can happen. Both sides can win this. And if it ends up in a tie, I'll not be surprised. This is not the twilight. You can see it's dark behind those lights. And it's nice to see kids in the stadium. We always maintain that. Every age group, kid, students, elderly, youngsters, everybody's there. And this is what Bihar Cricket League brings. Smiles on everybody's faces. Opportunity to youngsters. Outside of appeal, more out of anxiousness rather than hope. Hope, as they always say, is independent of the apparatus of logic. Rajneesh from today, we've seen Rajneesh from yesterday. Outside off, slashed it for cut. Short, pulled it for 4. You pitched it up, you flicked it for 4. 63 from 50, and then the bottom hand, the great swing, the brilliant flourish over the bowler's head. Tough shot to play. Good to look at, but very difficult to play. We'll come back. That's Rajneesh, and this is Rajneesh. Oh, brilliant. This is not a part of the package, mind you. This is live. And on this live moment, I'm welcoming somebody who's been a sports journalist for years. Let's just dig into his brains, bring out the best out of him. Vimal Kumar, lovely smile. Good evening to you.
Thank you, Padam. It's an absolute pleasure to be in the commentary box along with you.
Pleasure is more ours rather than yours. Do you think we can see a turnaround here, Vimal? You've covered so much of sport. The amount of cricket that you've covered over 20 years is no mean achievement. You've seen battles being built, question asked, only the question asked. You know, one good thing is the young talent from Bihar is being recognized via Bihar Cricket League.
I think it's a huge occasion for lovers of the Bihar cricket. If you look at, and in many ways it's a historic moment for Bihar cricket. There is a little doubt, there are a lot of talents across the states. If you look at, and we often talk about Sri Lankan cricketers, naturally talented, or Pakistani cricketers. The same kind of things you can find in Bihar cricket, where you will find a lot of talented youngsters.
What we found there was he could not find a fielder. Luckily for him, fielder finds the ball, though not before they got 2 runs on that delivery. And yes, you rightly said, there were times when I was a under 15 cricketer, I scored 100 against Punjab. And what happened was I waited for the next day morning for the newspaper to come for my headline to be there. I still remember. But now you don't have to wait for tomorrow's newspapers. You are being watched on national television. You are being watched on Eurosports.
Definitely, and if you look at all these players are aware of the kind of exposure they are getting, because it's not just a regional tournament which is being telecast in the local channels. They are aware that this is being telecast across the world. And who knows, they are going to catch the attention of some of the coaches of the IPL teams.
Yes. Eurosport HD, their body language changes, they can improve their batting, they can go back to the highlights and watch themselves. So much is what they can see of themselves, live and archival both. We can continue the conversation with the versatile journalist Vimal Kumar. Last ball coming, 3 runs from so far. Taps it, they call. Sometimes you don't use vocals to communicate it.